Welcome back to the Confident English Cast. I'm Henry.
And I'm Sophia. Hi, friend. Grab your tea, your coffee, your water, whatever helps you feel calm.
Today feels like a small and cozy episode.
Yes, like soft socks for your brain.
Quick check-in, Sophia. What's your brain like today?
My brain is a busy kitchen. 10 pots, 1 spoon, and I'm not sure what I'm cooking.
That is a very honest picture. What about you? Mine is like a browser with too many tabs. One tab is music, one tab is important email, one tab is why did I say that in 2019?
Oh no, the 2019 tab is always open.
If your mind feels busy like that, you're not alone.
Not at all. And today, we're talking about a simple habit that can make your mind feel lighter.
We're talking about journaling.
But don't worry, we are not asking you to write a novel.
Please don't. My handwriting would cry.
This episode is great for B1 to B2 learners. If you understand 70%, that's already strong.
And if you want extra practice, pick 1 or 2 sentences and shadow us. Say them out loud with us.
Perfect. Small steps, no pressure.
So here's our plan.
First, we'll talk about why your head feels so full.
Next, why journaling helps.
Then we'll give you a super simple system, 3 easy levels of journaling.
And finally, practical tips to make it a real habit.
Plus a calm vocabulary section at the end, so the useful words actually stay in your English.
Sophia, honest question. Why does journaling sound easy but feel hard to start?
Because the first sentence is like opening a door, and sometimes behind that door is a little mess.
Like a closet that you don't open when guests come.
Exactly. But we're going to do this gently.
Okay, let's start with the big question. Why does your brain feel overloaded? Your brain is not bad. It's doing its job. It's trying to remember, plan, and protect you. But sometimes it tries too hard. Reason 1. You're carrying too many open loops. Open loops? It's like unfinished things. A message you still need to answer, a task you delayed, a decision you didn't make, or a conversation you keep replaying in your head. Yes, your mind keeps it open because it's afraid to forget it. I do that with tiny things, like buy shampoo. That is not tiny when you're in the shower and you realize you have nothing. True. Very serious problem. Reason 2. Modern life gives us very few quiet minutes. The moment we feel bored, we reach for a screen. The moment we feel nervous, we distract ourselves. And we don't really digest our day. Yes, it's like eating too fast. Your stomach is full, but you don't feel good. Reason 3. Your brain wants to keep you safe, so it sends you warning messages all day. Don't make a mistake. Don't sound silly. What if you forget something? What if they judge your English? And to our listeners, if you have that thought, I understand. Me too. But here's a gentle truth. You can improve and still be okay today. Your English can be not perfect and still be good communication. Yes, that's the goal. Connection, not perfection. So your mind gets full. open loops, no quiet time, and lots of warnings. And then your thoughts start to bump into each other, like people trying to enter a train at the same time. Yes, and everyone is pushing. Yes. Now, the next question, why does journaling help?
Because writing is like moving thoughts from your head onto a page.
So your brain doesn't have to hold everything in the air.
Exactly. The page becomes a safe parking spot.
Here's an image. Your mind is like a backpack.
And all day, you put things inside it: worries, plans, small problems, big feelings.
At night, the backpack is heavy.
Journaling is like taking items out and putting them on a table.
Then you can look at them one by one.
And you can say, "This is important.
This can wait.
This is not even real. It's just a fear story."
I had a moment like this recently.
Tell me.
I was trying to work, but I kept checking my phone. Not because I needed to, because my brain felt itchy.
Itchy brain, I know that feeling.
So I opened a notebook and wrote one sentence. I feel distracted because I'm worried about tomorrow.
Simple.
And immediately I felt 10% calmer.
10% is huge. That's like finding an extra chair in a crowded room.
That's what we want for our listeners. Not perfect peace, just more space.
More space means you can breathe. You can choose your next step.
Okay, now we promised a simple system.
Yes, the 3 levels of journaling.
Think of them like 3 doors. You can open the easy door, the medium door, or the deeper door.
And you can choose based on your energy that day.
Level 1 is the easiest.
Level 1 is called What Happened.
It's a simple log, a short list, no deep emotions required.
Great for busy days or tired days.
Let's give a real example.
Yes. Henry, what would you write on a normal day?
Okay, here's mine. I woke up late, rushed breakfast, took the bus, worked, forgot my umbrella, got wet, ate noodles, watched one episode, slept.
That counts. That is journaling.
Even though it sounds like a sad movie.
It sounds like a very real Tuesday.
And you can add one small good moment.
Like a tiny photo for your memory.
A stranger held the door.
Or, I heard a song I love.
Or my English teacher said, good job.
Yes, small moments matter.
Level 1 helps because it tells your brain we captured the day.
Then your brain can stop repeating it like a broken speaker.
Level 2 is for the days when your mind won't stop.
Level 2 is, what am I thinking?
This is when your thoughts repeat and repeat.
Like a song stuck in your head, but the song is worry.
Let's act it out.
Okay.
I should study more. I'm behind. I need to reply to my friend. Did I sound rude? What if my boss is unhappy? Why can't I focus?
Whew, that is a busy mind.
That's also my brain at 2 a.m. Nervous laugh.
Same.
For level 2, you don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need long sentences.
You can write in fragments.
You can write a messy list.
The goal is to empty the noise onto the page.
Because when it's on paper, it looks more manageable,
Smaller.
less scary.
Level 3 is the deepest. but also very healing.
Level 3 is, what am I feeling?
Many people skip this level because feelings can be uncomfortable.
But feelings don't disappear when you ignore them. They just hide, and then they come back later. Here's a gentle example.
Yes,
Let's say you had an awkward moment speaking English,
like you said the wrong word.
or you forgot a word and you felt stuck.
Very common.
Level 3 could be, I feel embarrassed. I feel small. I feel frustrated.
And then one more line. But I'm still learning. It's okay.
Yes, that second line is powerful.
It's like talking to yourself kindly.
Like you would talk to a friend.
I want to add something important for beginners.
Tell them.
If level 3 feels hard, you can use a simple structure. I feel blank because blank.
Great.
I feel nervous because I want to do well.
I feel tired because my day was heavy.
I feel proud because I tried.
That's it. Clear, simple, honest.
So, to review,
Level 1, what happened?
level 2, what am I thinking?
Level 3, what am I feeling?
And you can mix them.
Yes, one day you do level 1 only.
Another day, you do level 2 for 5 minutes.
Another day you write one feeling and stop.
Stopping is allowed.
Now let's make journaling actually stick.
Because good ideas are nice, but habits change your life.
Exactly.
Tip 1. Make the start tiny.
2 minutes, 3 lines.
If you wait for the perfect mood, you will wait forever.
Your brain loves excuses.
My brain is very creative with excuses.
Tip 2, use a time anchor.
Attach journaling to something you already do.
After you're brushing your teeth.
After your morning drink.
Or right before you charge your phone at night.
Nice. If my phone charges, my mind charges too.
Exactly.
Tip 3. Keep your journal visible.
If it's hidden, it's forgotten.
Put it near your bed, your desk, or your favorite chair.
Make it easy to reach.
Tip 4. Use one ready question.
When your mind is tired, questions help you begin.
Here are 3 simple ones.
What is on my mind right now?
What do I need today?
What is one small win from today?
Tip 5. Give yourself permission to write badly.
Bad writing is still writing.
Messy English is still English.
Yes, your journal is private. It is practice.
No teacher is grading it.
Unless Henry sneaks into your house.
I would never. Also, I'm too tired. Tip 6. Use the one sentence rescue.
On hard days, write just one true sentence.
Like, today felt too fast.
Or, my head is loud. I need rest.
Or, I did my best.
That keeps the habit alive.
Tip 7. End with one small next step.
Not a huge plan, just one step.
Tomorrow, I will send that email.
Tomorrow, I will study for 10 minutes.
Tomorrow, I will ask one question in English.
Small steps lower fear.
Tip 8. Treat every page like a fresh start.
If you miss a day, you don't fail. You just continue.
The notebook doesn't get angry. Mine does not talk back, which is great.
Okay,
Let's slow down and do our calm vocabulary part.
Yes, this helps you learn English while you learn journaling.
We'll explain a few useful phrases with simple examples.
And you can repeat after us if you want.
Word 1. Mind clutter.
Mind clutter means too many small thoughts in your head at the same time, like a messy desk but inside your brain.
Example. My mind clutter was strong today, so I wrote 3 lines.
Repeat. My mind clutter was strong today.
My mind clutter was strong today. Word 2. Brain fog.
Brain fog is when you feel awake but not clear. Focusing feels hard.
Example, I had brain fog after lunch, so I took a short walk and wrote 1 sentence.
Repeat. I had brain fog after lunch.
I had brain fog after lunch. Phrase 3. Open loop.
An open loop is an unfinished task or worry your brain keeps holding.
Example, replying to that message closed an open loop for me.
Repeat. It closed an open loop.
It closed an open loop. Phrase 4. Get it out of my head.
This means you move thoughts from your mind to somewhere else, like paper.
I wrote it down to get it out of my head.
Repeat. To get it out of my head.
To get it out of my head. Verb 5. Spill.
Usually means liquid, like coffee.
But we can also spill thoughts. It means you share quickly and honestly.
Example. I spilled my worries on the page for 2 minutes.
Repeat. I spilled my worries.
I spilled my worries.
Phrase 6. A small win.
A small win is a small success. Something good, even if it's tiny.
Example, my small win today was speaking English for 1 minute.
Repeat. My small win today was
My small win today was.
beautiful. And remember, you don't need to memorize everything.
Choose 2 phrases and use them this week.
Say them out loud. Write them in your journal.
Make them yours.
Before we go, we have tiny homework.
Very tiny.
Today or tonight, write 1 line.
Just 1. Choose 1 level.
What happened
What you're thinking.
or what you're feeling.
And if your line is, I'm tired, that is valid.
Extremely valid. You did great today. Your English is growing.
And your mind deserves kindness while you grow.
This is Sophia,
And Henry.
and you've been listening to the Confident English Cast. See you next time.